Amazing travel accessories at Dollar Tree. You won't believe. Walking up and down every aisle, look at this. Travel Smart, Shop Smart. These clips are ideal for hanging up wet bathing suits so they don't fly off the rack, or for hanging up anything in your room or closing a bag of chips. Amazing. Look at this. Magnetic things to do. Oh my goodness, I'm going to put a list of photographs there and magnetize this. I'll tear it in half and magnetize this to my bunk on the train. Look at these Uno cards. Can I play Uno by myself? Interesting. Okay, so these are $5, but right down here is $1.25 for these Uno Go cards. Yes, travel smart, always have something to do along with you. Might want to pick up these markers, maybe a pad of paper. I like to journal. And look at this, super glue. You never know what you're going to do. Even a broken fingernail, you can use these individual tubes. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for $1.25. Great save. Look at these hooks. They are removable. These are the ones that are gummy where you can pull them right off the wall, not mess up anything. These are ideal for when I travel, when I want to keep my keys handy, my anything handy. These are awesome. And look at this. I can tie this around the strap of my suitcase. Nobody's going to take my suitcase when I've got these glittery, wonderful ribbons tied around my straps. And I could do pipe cleaners, but look at these chip holders as well. These are wonderful for clamping anything, just like your bathing suits. Like I said, so if you need different styles, there's different styles. Look at this. I'm going to the beach, and this is $5, not $15, my friends. $5 for a rechargeable fan. And look at this, $5 for noise canceling headphones. Absolutely incredible for listening to music. They're Bluetooth. They don't have a cord. This is awesome. Look at this. I am in Dollar Tree. A lantern fan. I cannot get over this. This is a night light for me. This is a fan for me. When I'm traveling in my little cabin, my roomette on the train, I'm taking this. And look at this. Bedside reading light. I can carry a light with me as well. Very small, fits right in my carry-on bag. I am going to have to investigate these a little bit more. Travel pillow. I just looked at these for $14, $15, $17 in Walmart. $5. Look at this. Memory foam washable cover. I'm going to unzip this cover, put in a little bit of my clothes, and I can travel with it for free. Amazing on the train or the plane. And these hair clips. Oh, these are great containers. Maybe I'll put my toothbrush in here with my toothpaste. Or we could put anything we want. Makeup holder, pens, pencils, and these tissues come in handy. They're tiny. You get 6 of them for $1.25. Or looky, there's 8 of them for $1.25. 10 tissues in each package. Or I could get dinosaurs. Oh my goodness, they have different kinds here. These are so adorable and so incredibly great. And look on Wear Wendy Creates, because I make holders for these too. And scrunchies. Scrunchies are not just for your hair. They're for chip bags. They're for identifying your luggage. They're for all kind of uses. Even put them on my wrist when I don't need them. And first aid kit. I was just going to throw some Band-Aids in my bag, but looky, comes with a cool plastic container. I can put my Neosporin right in there as well. And we have Band-Aids, first aid kits, Band-Aids, $1.25. Great price on these. This first aid spray as well is only 3 ounces. More cute containers. I love this container. It's like a metal 10 container here for my Band-Aids. I can put my entire first aid kit in there for my suitcase. That's awesome. And travel size, conditioner, lotions, deodorants. Okay, I've got my choices of different smelling deodorants here. So great travel sizes. And look at this. I'm going to get myself some yummy face and body wipes. Maybe this will be my flavor choice. And I want to travel with my prescriptions in their original bottles when I'm going outside of the United States. But these 7-day pill organizers, you've probably already seen these. Love them, love them. It's a case with all 7 organizers inside of it. Some people use these cute contact lenses as well. But these medicine vials are great for keeping your jewelry in. So hit subscribe. I've got another video where I show you how I use all these items. But again, travel size, Aleve, Advil, ibuprofen, Tylenol, whatever you want, they have it here. Sinus relief as well. And you have to get some antacid or some Pepto-Bismol stomach relief here as well. $1.25 for this small size that fits in my anything carry on. It's a wonderful, great size to take advantage of. Cough drops, grab the Halls too. And this travel size bottle, I have demonstrated this as well. This is absolutely incredible, my friends. I'm actually putting mouthwash in 2 of these and conditioner and shampoo in the other 2 because I like to be fresh. Toothbrush covers, always be hygienic. So you decide whether you want that pencil case or the makeup case or what you want. I like to have the extra tooth picks with me as well. So lots of choices here in the Dollar Tree. It's amazing. You know, I have been using Pantene a lot lately, and I am going to go ahead and get some of this gel hand sanitizer and pick up some Pantene conditioner right here, $1.25 instead of $2 or $3 in Walmart. Amazing. So now I've got to decide about the hand sanitizer, which to get. And I have squirted some hand sanitizer out on my tray table on the airplane and cleaned it. So please, 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 the germiest thing on the airplane is the tray table, not the bathroom. It's amazing. This is a cool kit. Look at this 5-piece. $1.25. You've got your little scrubby. You've got like a little contact case up here. That is so cool. And then you have your containers for the liquids. Love it. And we are traveling. I have like 1 week in between each of my upcoming trips, so it's absolutely crazy. And I was going to get wipes, but why not get baby wipes? Baby wipes, it looks 72 wipes for $1.25 instead of paying $1.25 for 20, 30, 40 wipes. Can I get away with that? Why not? Hit that comment button. Let me know. Do you use baby wipes or do you have to use the makeup wipes or the towel wipes and the like adult sizes? These sliders are incredible. Get these for your bathing suits. Get these for your leftovers. If you want a munchie later, I can't stand stale chips. These zipper bags come in so handy. Take them out of the box, put them in your suitcase, put them in your carry-on bag. They do not take up any space at all. They're wonderful. And this lint roller, look at this. I wanted one, but I'm going to use the baby one for travel. $1.25 for both. And you know, I use the bigger one for my quilting, sewing all the time. These mesh laundry bags, I have some of the compression bags, but I'm going to use these as well. Keep myself organized, put 1 day's clothes in each one, and dryer sheets, my friends, dryer sheets. You choose your flavor. These dryer sheets keep the clothes smelling fresh, and nothing is worse than opening up a dirty laundry bag after I've been hiking. You've been hiking, anybody's been hiking, and smell that. Throw some of these down in there. Trust me, you will thank me later. Put one in each of your shoes. These are wonderful. And no matter how neat we try to be, my friends, we're going to spill something at some point and be embarrassed about it, and water may not get it out. A rain poncho. You never know when you're going to get caught out in the rain. These, take them out of the packaging. They are half the size that they look. They're tiny. They're great for having in your purse and taking anywhere. These are absolutely adorable. Little squish bottles. Squish out your conditioner, shampoos. I think I'm going to use the other ones that I have, but those are really, really cool as well. And Dollar Tree has all kind of different ideas for chip closers. And look at this, the perfect snack for my vacation, no matter where I'm going. Have a great day, my friends. Enjoy Dollar Tree.